My name is Amber Moosby and I'm from Chicago, Illinois. I was diagnosed with stage 4 brain cancer almost 2 years ago. Chemo was a big pain in the butt. With my family and friends there, it wasn't so bad. I really love my life in Chicago, but for a break, I'd like to go to California. I have 2 dogs. One is Molly and one is Trixie. One is a Chihuahua and the other one is a miniature Schnauzer. They also help me and support me all the time. I have a tattoo on my wrist to remind me to keep going every single day. What I like to do in my free time is play guitar. I go to Maine West High School in Des Plaines, Illinois. My school raised $15,000 for brain cancer, and I think that was awesome. This summer, I have some cancer awareness band-aids coming out. All of my Team Amber supporters on Facebook, all 10,500 of them, they really help me and support me day by day.